Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're showcasing the rockspace AX1800, their newest wireless dual band gigabit router with Wi-Fi 6 technology. It has a quad-core CPU, USB 3.0, and it comes with an app as well. This is model number RSD0616 from Rockspace. Here's some more information about it. It has dual band, so the 5 gigahertz has 1200 megabits a second in 802.11ax because that is what denotes Wi-Fi 6. And it has 2.4 gigahertz in 600 megabits a second. And you have several gigabit ports. You have a WAN gigabit port, so if you have a faster connection to the internet, this router can handle it. It has 4 gigabit ports and 4 antennas. We'll show you that right now. It has MIMO technology. Here's one. Here's 2. These are substantial antennas. There's the front. This is where the LEDs show you power and what's happening with the router. Here's antenna 3 and antenna 4. Here's your WAN port, that is gigabit. All of these are gigabit as well. This is for your local Ethernet ports. You have your USB 3.0 port right here and your power port. And we have the power adapter. The power adapter is not that big, so we appreciate that. And they also include an Ethernet cord as well, so that's handy. Again, this is the Wi-Fi 6 version, brand new version, AX1800, and it's from Rockspace. So we can't wait to use it and find out how fast our internet connection really is, because you need a faster router in order to realize the speeds from the new gigabit networking technology. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.